Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we decode the sometimes confusing world of corporate filings. Today we're diving into a Form 8K from Isotopes Inc, and trust me, it's a bit more exciting than it sounds. We are going to be looking at a press release regarding enriched silicon 28, and it's not something you'd expect. Isotopes just announced on March 27, 2025 that they've started commercial production of enriched silicon 28 at their second facility. Think of enriched silicon 28 as a super pure form of silicon, kind of like having a super filtered water. It's valuable for high-tech stuff. This new facility uses something called aerodynamic separation process, or ASP, which separates different types of silicon. What is interesting is that this is their second facility. Now, here's a disclaimer that is important. The company wants to make it clear that the information from the press release isn't officially filed in the same way as some other reports. So if there is a statement in this release that turns out to be false, the company is not held to the same account as if it was a filing. Now let's scroll to the actual press release, which is dated March 27, 2025. The press release headline is ASP Isotopes commences commercial production of enriched silicon 28 at second facility. It highlights the company's achievement in starting production at this second plant. According to the release, this facility is set to produce up to 600 kilograms per year of enriched silicon 28. This amount indicates the company's capacity to supply this specialized material to meet industrial or research demands. The release talks about this being the second aerodynamic separation process, or ASP enrichment facility. What's important here is that this technology could be a game changer. If it works as planned, it could allow them to create high purity isotopes, which can be used for semiconductors, quantum computing, and even medical applications. The press release goes on to outline its strategic location, its use of domestically sourced materials, and its contribution to energy independence. The second enrichment facility, which spans approximately 14,000 square feet, suggests a considerable scale of operations. The size gives us an idea of the company's investment in expanding its production capabilities. The most notable highlight of the press release is the start of enriched silicon 28 production. It states the advantages and potential applications of this material, especially in improving thermal management and performance in high-power devices. According to Paul Mann, the CEO of ASP Isotopes, the start of production at the second facility marks a pivotal moment for the company. In his statement, Mann points out the significance of using a secure supply chain located within the United States. This aspect enhances the reliability of their operations and aligns with national interests in securing technology supply lines. The release emphasizes the importance of silicon 28. It's presented as a material that significantly improves heat management in devices that need to operate without overheating. In essence, this material allows high-power electronics to perform better and last longer, which is crucial for industries pushing the limits of technology. One important point is about a domestic supply chain. This is a big deal. Right now, a lot of these specialized materials come from overseas. Having a US-based source not only creates jobs here, but also reduces dependence on other countries, which can be really important for national security reasons and the stability of tech manufacturing. The press release says that the enriched silicon 28 will support high-growth advanced technology markets. This is key because it means the company is targeting areas that are expanding rapidly and where there's a lot of demand for these kinds of materials. By focusing on these markets, the company aims to capitalize on emerging opportunities and drive growth. So what's the story here? ASP Isotopes is clearly trying to position itself as a key player in the supply of enriched silicon 28. The big question is whether they can scale up production efficiently and secure enough customers to make this a profitable venture. Looking at ASP Isotopes' overall direction, the company seems to be making strides toward becoming a significant supplier of enriched isotopes, but faces real challenges like scaling production and managing costs. A notable risk is the competition from established international suppliers. However, the growing demand for high-purity materials in advanced technologies presents a substantial opportunity. In conclusion, this 8K filing signals an important step for ASP Isotopes. The launch of the second facility is a milestone that could potentially boost the company's revenue and strategic position. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this breakdown, please like, comment, and subscribe for more corporate deep dives.